Hello students, standard 7 chapter 8 comparing quantities. We are almost near to the end of this chapter doing the exercise 8.3. We did first question, now starting with the second question. What does it say? Convert each part of the ratio to percentage. So in these ratios are given and we have to convert each part of the ratio. Means there will be either 2 or 3 parts in the ratio. And then each part is converted to be percentage. First one is 3:1. So here total part is equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. So now first part is 3 out of 4. Now we have to convert it into percent. So we know that is equal to 3 upon 4 multiplied by 100%. Cancellations now. 25 4s are 100, so 25 3s are 75%. So first part is 75%. Now the second part. Second part is 1 out of 4. Total 4 parts. Out of that is 1 part. So 1 upon 4. So now we have to convert into percent. So we will multiply by 100 and then percent. Same here also question, cancellation, and 25 ones are 25%. And make sure that total of the all parts percentage will be 100. So here 75 plus 25 is 100. Second one. In second one there are 3 parts. 2:2, 3:5. So now we have to find first the total parts. So total parts is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10. There are 10 total parts. So now first, second and third we have to convert it into ratio percent. So now first part. The first digit here 2 out of 10. So first part is 2 upon 10 and that is 2 upon 10 into 100%. So you can cancel it. So 10 2s are 20%. Second part. Is 3 out of 10. So 3 upon 10 multiplied to 100%. Do the cancellation. So 10 3s are 30%. And the last third part. What is the third part? Is 5 out of 10. And to convert it, multiplied by 100%. Again cancellation, and 10 5s are 50%. Make sure that 20 plus 30, 50 plus 50, 100%. Because some of the all parts must be 100%. So now similarly you can do C and D in homework. Because same thing we have to follow. Take the total parts, then make the fraction of all parts and multiply by 100%. Question 3. In question 3 there is a word problem. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. Find the percentage decrease. So now here, first, what amount is decreased in the population, that we have to find. So now, decrease in population is equal to original population minus new population. So it was how much? 25,000 minus the new is 24,500. So how much people decreased? Obviously 500. So it is equal to 500. But this is only the decrease. But we have to find the percentage decrease, and we know the formula. So percentage decrease is equal to decrease upon original population multiplied by 100%. So decrease is 500. What was the original population? 25,000. So 500 upon 25,000 multiplied by 100%. Now the cancellations: 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1. 25 2s are 50. So only 2%. Therefore, the percentage decrease in population is only 2%. So from the 25,500 were less. So we convert it into the percentage, like decrease divided by original population multiplied by 100%. Now similarly, question 4 is also same like that. So question 4 also I will give you as a homework. Now the 5th question. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? Now here CP of TV is rupees 10,000 because I bought it for 10,000, and profit percent I took is 20%, and we have to find selling price, because as I sold I will get the money. What will I get? So now it means that profit is equal to 20% of CP. that is 20% of rupees 10,000, that is 20 upon 100 multiplied by 10,000. So 1, 2, 1, 2. 20 multiplied by 100 is rupees 2,000. So now selling price is equal to CP plus profit. So rupees 10,000 plus rupees 2,000. So rupees 12,000. So I got rupees 12,000. So now, like this, same, little different, like here we have to find the CP. Here the selling price and the percentage of the loss given, and we have to find the. So question 6 also will be homework for you. Now in question 7, there are two parts. First one, chalk contains carbon, calcium, carbon and oxygen. Calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon. In chalk. We don't have to find percentage of each element. We have to find the calcium, not oxygen, not but only carbon. So now calcium is to carbon is to oxygen is given as 10:3:12. So now total parts is equal to 10 plus 3 plus 12, that is 25. So now we have to find the percentage of carbon only. So we will take part of carbon. Therefore, part of carbon. So you can see the carbon is 3 out of 25. Therefore, percentage of carbon is equal to 3 upon 25 into 100%. 25 fours are, so we get 3 fours are 12%. So there are 12% carbon in that chalk stick. Now the second question is also there in it. If in a stick of chalk, carbon is 3 gram. Carbon is 3 gram. What is the weight of the chalk stick? What is the weight of chalk stick? So now here that 12% is 3 gram. So we have to find the whole weight of the chalk stick. So now let weight of chalk stick is x gram. It means that 12% of x is 3 gram because carbon is 12% and its weight is 3 gram. It means that 12 upon 100 multiplied by x is 3. And therefore we get x is equal to 3 multiplied by 100 upon 12. So now 3 4s are 12 and 4 25s are. So x is equal to 25. Therefore, weight of chalk stick is total 25 grams. So there is weight is 25 gram of the chalk stick, and in which 3 gram part is the carbon. So now all the other questions are very simple. Question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Question 8, 9, 10 and 11 also for homework. So here our chapter comparing quantities is finished. The last 4 questions we already discussed about it and had some practice of that questions also. But still, if you get some confusion, you can contact me. Thank you very much.